Hello world, so today is the last day. You're gonna see my hair like this. So we are going to braid my hair today. I need all this hair, guys. So much hair that I'm gonna be using for my hair. So they're gonna be braiding my hair today. This is the first time I'm braiding my hair, so I have no idea what to expect. I don't even know what styles there is. So my friends are gonna help me out to start off this braiding. Boo! Boo! Okay, so my friends are already here. So they're gonna make me look like this. Hi! Hola! So this is the hair. Tell me what that hairstyle is, please.
Fulani braids that I put in a bun, thanks to Annie.
So when she takes it out, it's gonna be so long like that. And yours is also that, or is it? What is yours? Corn roll? What? Apparently some corn something. I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm like, corn? Did you eat corn before you put that thing? I don't know what. What hairstyle is this now?
I have no idea, girl.
It's Fulani.
Fulani!
So they're now messing with my doggy. Yeah.
Say hi to Sky.
Wah! Don't lick the camera. Okay, so we were just waiting for the lady to come braid our hair, and we're gonna get going and start it off because it takes 4 hours.
Grace was asking if she can wash her hair, so I said she can buy dry shampoo, and dry shampoo is literally like a mousse. Right now I'm using the mousse, not the dry shampoo, but you're just gonna do this, and
shaving cream.
you're gonna
Whoa!
put it on your hair, wash it. Should be
Hey
clean
boys, it's
after
me,
that.
Scares here.
So that's it.
Yeah, it's gonna be moisturized and clean. I hope the whiteness is gone.
It's
No.
not gone. It's, it's a lot. And on your
on the back.
ears.
Oh, okay. Thank
On
you.
your face.
Get all in there, girl.
Oh, okay.
Then, like,
There
on
you
your,
go.
like on your jawline.
Oh, thank you. Wow.
On your mustache and your beard.
Okay. Yeah, but basically you clean it, you do this, and it should be gone. It's made to blend with your. Yeah.
So they told me this hair is a Shilumbu hair.
Yeah.
Shilumbu means what does Shilumbu hair mean? Oh, white people's hair. Me I'm not white. What do you call Asian then? Shiluambu. Sharum. Chinumbu.
Yeah, we probably call them chiong.
Chiumbu hair. I got chiumbu hair. Okay, so we're starting with the hair thing. So I chose this. I chose this hairstyle. Yes, this hairstyle. I don't know who she is, but she's pretty. But we are concentrating on the hair, okay?
Yeah.
So I chose that hairstyle. Box braids.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Let's start. Okay, guys. So we're starting. Okay, you know better. I have no idea. I am just going with the flow.
I can't stop touching Grace.
So I don't know. Okay, so okay, so you can start whenever you feel you are ready. I'm just here trying to keep myself busy. Should I just chill and chillax, okay?
Yeah. Grace is so nervous.
I'm nervous. This is the first time that this has ever happened to me, so I don't know what to expect. I have no idea what. I must just be quiet and still and let it just flow.
How are you feeling right now?
I'm nervous. I
So
don't know. I don't
nervous.
know why I'm so nervous. I really have no idea.
Are you Cantonese? You so pretty now. You look so cute. Oh my God, you're actually Asian.
Okay, guys.
Is it your first time braiding chirumu?
It's my first time.
Oh.
So how different is her hair from other hairs when you braid?
It's soft.
It's too soft.
Hard. Not really hard.
No, she's
Hard
having
to-
a hard time
hard-
to braid it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's true.
Okay.
So it's
So she's what is that?
No, no,
She's taking your hair out of the way so she can start with the actual hair that she wants to start.
Yeah, because this will keep getting in the way.
Yeah.
Oh, I was like, okay, is that the style now? Okay, also that's not the style, guys. So yeah.
I hope you
When
brought the Oshibambu dress.
Where's the
That would be so cool. No,
Why didn't you
Oshibambu
tell
dress.
me?
You are supposed to know.
I am forgetting.
Is it easy?
She disappeared. She ran away.
Not easy.
I suppose.
No, it can't because her hair is
You want to ask
so
again?
she's gonna have to.
Does it fall out or what?
It's gonna fall out.
Oh
You
no.
must mention if it's.
Oh, okay. I feel.
I think his reaction.
I feel that pain.
But it's.
Don't make it like that.
Okay, wait. So, you know, the bottom part is always the most painful, yeah?
And your hair is kind of like.
I like this lady. She doesn't give it. She's just like.
And my husband is just like, just do it, just do it, just do it.
Oh,
Revenge for me, my
Like
dear,
you wanna
revenge.
be an African, eat the pain.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so this is how everybody feels when they do braiding. It's not so bad because she's very, very gentle.
She doesn't look there.
No, it is. I feel the, you know, like her hand is very gentle. I know, that's for sure.
So tomorrow when I wake up, it's just.
Then you'll have an African
You're gonna
wife.
have a heart attack when you wake up. Like, who are you in my bed?
Oh, wow, okay.
It looks so pretty.
Oh.
Imagine like us, it's worse for us.
But you guys do it all the time.
Yeah.
How do you guys handle
It's
that?
worse for us with our hard hair and then that together. So like yeah.
Okay, but once it goes down, then it's okay. Then you go like, but that tip. Okay, so guys,
Let's go.
it's now 3 and
they're
that is just like
Why do you keep saying they're 3? They're 4.
extra age. Where's the 4th? Okay, I don't see the 4th one, guys. So there's a 3 and a 4. So it's just more like a.
Something else.
Oh, this is the first time I'm having this, and I don't know how. It in the end part now, it's like it's tugging and it's tight, and it feels like my whole hair, what do you call this? Blood is rushing up my head, like. But otherwise, yeah. Para sa vlog, eh? Okay, let's continue. You see, I'm too Asian, but you'll see me later on. I'll be African, because I am in Africa, and I married an African man, so I must be African. The lady's like, shh, crazy woman. What? She's gonna start spraying my hair with some water. No, it's not windulin, guys. No, it's just water.
Hours later.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Like prettier than what I expected. Yeah.
The what?
Like
The
I
hair?
expected it
Okay,
to
so
be
it looks like this.
100%.
Right
and
now,
it looks.
I don't know how it looks like right now, but you guys can see. So I don't know how it looks like, but yeah, you guys are seeing it for the first time. You're seeing it before me.
Yeah.
Let's continue with the second phase.
So far.
Three hours later.
How long have you been sitting here? This is the how many hours now, Mario? 3 hours.
Even the lady is like shaking her head.
Ah, it's like.
Oh, why did they bring me here? Ah! She doesn't even talk anymore. Even this one is tired. They all are just falling
Too
apart.
soft. Grace's hair is too soft. So
Is it
it's
too
not
soft?
in. Like here, some things are out.
It's falling off already.
No. Not falling off. It's just not all in the braid.
Yeah, just take your scissors and cut
Just
it.
the out.
No!
Yeah. That's alright. Lost my neck.
Lost magnet. Oh, die praat Afrikaans ook.
Yeah, I brought.
Oh!
Oh,
Hier
watch
is goed
out,
geraakt,
watch out.
nee? Then they play the Angolan, but they
It's gonna hurt if you do this. If you do this with your forehead.
niks there.
She's a spy.
Die bamboe.
Nia, ik kan zien.
Kijk,
We just now
Look
putting
at
the...
my bitch here. Look at her now. What are you trying to do? Jesus Christ.
Why can I put them like?
Okay, I don't know what you guys are doing to my hair, so yeah, okay.
Where's the brush again?
Okay guys, it's done. See my hair's like showing out,
Poking out.
right? Popping out. They're just busy putting the beads now. That's it. I'm African now.
Hello, I've got my own African.
Finally
You got your
done.
own
She looks like
African.
those,
I always think she looks ghetto.
she looks ghetto.
I look
She looks like
ghetto.
those chicks that
Ready to fight.
Yeah, yo, you my man alone, man.
But that beads that you got is nice. But that thing is like,
Hi, Sky.
how does that work?
Hi, Papa.
Do you just buy it and then you just put it all up like so?
But this is different from yours, eh?
No, they have Fulani. I have box. How does it feel?
Those little ones.
Yeah.
I don't know. Mixed emotions. Although it feels tight. It's actually, it feels nice actually, but I don't know. Later on, I feel like I got a, what do you call this thing?
Like your face is full though, like you got plastic.
Like this, yeah.
Yeah, like that.
But otherwise, it's not bad. It's not bad. All right, guys, that is it. We're just busy finishing up the end part, like cutting it off, kind of thing, na. It looks so funny. One bead fell. Oh, ow. Okay, okay. So, oh my. Oh, it looks nice. Actually, it looks nice. Oh my gosh, I'm African. It's nice. I like it. My scalp is so white. Ooh. So that's how it looks like. Can you see it?
So pretty.
It's so. That's all, folks. How do I? How do I?
For watching Disney Channel.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. It's thick.
How do I go back? Oh, out here.
It's thick. Okay, so I do this. Shoo! How do you guys do this when you? How do you?
Eventually.
Okay.
Just in case, you know. Just to confirm.
All the Namibian crazy heads.
If you guys like this video, please
Oh, look here.
thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. And leave me comments.
So Grace just finished her hair and it looks so pretty. So
It's heavy. It's heavy, guys. It's heavy. Okay, guys. So that is it. That is the hairstyle. That is that. Thank you for watching.
After a long day, we're finally done.
hi.
We're finally done. It has been a long day.
I just wanna steal ears. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Bye for now.